In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to block out background noise during your Microsoft Teams calls. We've all been there. You're in the middle of presenting or speaking in a meeting, and suddenly the sound of traffic, construction, or even a barking dog disrupts the flow. Thankfully, Teams has a built-in feature to help you keep your audio crystal clear. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a set of 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find a variety of tools to personalize your Teams experience. Inside the Settings panel, click on Devices. This section manages your audio and video equipment, and it's where we'll find the noise suppression feature. You see Noise Suppression. Here, Microsoft Teams gives you 3 main options: Auto, Low, and High. Auto is the smart setting. It automatically adjusts suppression based on the sounds in your environment. Low filters out minimal background sounds like a quiet hum or faint typing while keeping your voice natural. High is the strongest filter. It's designed for noisy environments, perfect if you're working next to a busy street or in a household full of activity. Choose the setting that best matches your environment. Personally, I recommend starting with Auto since it adapts in real time, but don't hesitate to switch if you need stronger filtering. Once you've selected your preferred level, close the Settings panel. That's it. You've Teams to reduce background noise. From now on, your colleagues will hear you clearly without the distractions of your surroundings. It's a simple adjustment, but one that can make a huge difference in the quality of your communication. Professional meetings require professional audio. And by using noise suppression, you're ensuring your message is always front and center. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tips to enhance your Microsoft Teams experience.